Okay, you open the file that is called jellyfish. You can find the jellyfish model. It contains two groups. One group is tendrils made out of nerves and changing by using the paint effects. Second one is just simple nerves model there. But all these two belongs to the one group. You should select the entire group because we are going to add the deformer entire group. Our first deformer is a wave group, wave deformer. You can find the menu set. You have animation menu set also has a deformer, and modeling also has a deformer. But this time we are going to use the rigging. Under the rigging you can find the deform. In non-linear you can find the wave. To click it, then wave handler created. Under the outliner also you can see the wave 1 handle. See here. You can go to the attribute editor, change the attribute in the wave handler attribute there. You can change its a different amplitude. You can see that's dramatically deformed there. And we can set up the amplitude just like a 0.0141, and you can see the wavelength. If you change a different wavelength, see there is a deformed small sinusoidal waves or larger sinusoidal wave. And for this model I just suggest the 0.755 there. And offset is a timing parameter. You can see that when we adjust the offset, it's starting to animating there. And this one you can find here tool drop off change the amount of deformation, I mean the effect of the deformer there. But before that you can find here, see it's sometimes not really centered. You can just select the wave handler, go to the its channel editor and change the parameters in here. The X translated is 0. You can see the liquid is centered there, and Y translated is 0.787. Earlier I tested it, and this is the now it's came to the Y 0.7 is middle of the this upper part, I mean a little bit bottom here. Okay, the Z axis you can make a 0 minus 0.398, and scale you just about 30 or 35, a bit larger. Now you can see that nothing changed because we need to set the keys or give the value. I mean for here we set up the keys and here we can move, but this time we are not going to set the keys, but this time I am going to use the very simple expression. This value is we are going to give it the time. If we have timeline, it is 200. We just type that this value equal to the time, and then we use the colon there and then put enter there. You can see that this value now is kind of expression. You can edit the expression, right click and switch on. You can see that wave dot offset equal time, it's automatically generated. Now you can just play it. You can see that it's just moving there. If the motion is too much, you can just down the drop off if you need. You keep a more bigger or smaller, see the drop off can control your deformer value there. If I put it at 0, you can see that it's 0.01. You just play it, see that it's moving. If you think it's too much, you just adjust the drop off parameter. Yeah, enjoy. This is just a